Hey, if you want to import the SIM card into your Realme 11 5G, for sure you can do this by going into the left side, right here, then input this SIM tool into your SIM tray, then press, and now you will find that this SIM tray open. So now we can remove it, and as you can see right here, we can input the two SIM cards and the micro SD card. And to correctly input the SIM card, we have to put it like this. As you can see, that's quite simple. And now we will have to put it back. So do this gently. Try to move it to the left or to the right side. Just swing it a little bit and then press with your finger. And now this SIM card is inside. And when you open your phone, you can find information about your SIM card when you go into the settings. So as you can see right here, you can find some information about your SIM card. It's actually inside. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.